Turn on the power switch. When the display flashes low, hold the menu button for approximately 5 seconds. At this time, the screen displays the temperature of the main heating plate. Temperature adjustment can be achieved through the up arrow buttons and down arrow buttons. Press the menu button again. At this time, the temperature on the display screen is the temperature of the auxiliary heating plate. Temperature adjustment can be achieved through the up arrow buttons and down arrow buttons. Next, press the menu button again to switch temperature units. Press the down arrow button to switch to Fahrenheit. Press the up arrow button to switch to Celsius. Initial setup completed. Press and hold the menu button again for 3 seconds to save the settings. On the left side of the vertical contact toaster, there is an adjustment for the blocking positions. The left position is for baking the bottom crust of the buns, and the right position is for baking the top crust of the buns. Factory default settings. Bottom crust set to position 2. Top crust set to position F. If you encounter deviations during use, you can adjust them using the dial knob.